If you want to get more storage on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then we actually have three main ways to extend the storage. The first method is to go to Settings, open your Apple account, and then you can go to iCloud, and of course you can upgrade to iCloud Plus. You can go over here and you can choose any of these plans that you have available over here in order to get additional storage in the cloud. So you can store more data in cloud on iCloud, to be specific. However, in addition to that, what you can also do is use a memory card or micro SD card. However, in order to actually use it, you need to use a memory card reader, because we cannot actually use a micro SD card and put it into the iPhone. So instead, what you need to do is get the memory card reader. In my case, I have this one, which is quite huge, of course, but you should be able to also find some smaller ones as well. So we need to insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then using the USB-C cable, we should be able to easily connect to our iPhone. If you have USB storage, then it works as well. If you have USB-A storage, then in that case you need to get an adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C so that you can actually connect it to your iPhone. But then if you connect it to the iPhone, or if you just have USB-C storage, then in that case you should be able to use the flash drive as well. Of course, the last two methods are definitely less convenient to use on a daily basis, but in case you need to transfer something and just, save it in like additional storage, then you should be able to use these methods. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.